What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Carvinster Reg, and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, man, I'm excited. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm really excited because this is the first mod I bought in a very long time, and I'm just excited to get back to, working on my car. This is not the only mod I bought, but this is the mod that came first that we will be installing first. I got a lot of stuff on the way. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I would highly suggest you follow me on Instagram because I give Instagram sneak peeks of everything I do before YouTube. So like Instagram already knew what I bought. I actually bought three things. I bought this Y pipe. I'm pretty sure I already named the video the Megan Y pipe. I got my Megan Y pipe. It's right in the back seat. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just trying to get somewhere where I can show you guys, the whole Y pipe and all that other stuff, and then tell you guys about the video. But I bought that. I bought another part that I'm really excited about that I should be installing probably within maybe the next couple of weeks, maybe the next week. I don't know. It's still not shipped yet. I'm still waiting for it. It should be shipping like probably within the next couple of days. So I'm really excited about that. And then I also bought another part to enhance my Q50 because there's a lot of stuff getting ready to go down. I don't know if you guys watched the G35 video where I was telling you guys I just been discouraged with the whole G35 thing, so I'm gonna just put all my energy into the Q50 and I hit the ground running. I ain't gonna lie, like I bought three mods. One was this Y pipe. I also got three mods laying around the house until the right time for me to put it on, and that would be very soon as well. And it's a whole lot of stuff that that's going on that I'm really extremely happy about. And look at this car is clean, bro. Let them pass. The Mustang drop top, bro. I think it's clean, but it's a lot of things that's getting ready to go down that I'm truly happy about, that I'm really excited about, and I just can't wait for you guys to see everything because the Q50 is getting ready to be my show car, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, one thing that I miss, or one thing that I wish I would have done, was finish the G37. So since I couldn't get to the G37 how the way I wanted to finish it, I'm gonna do everything to this car. I'm gonna make this car look so nice. Like, it's so much stuff that I got planned for this car that I would, tell you guys in the next couple of videos or next vlogs. A lot more vlogs is coming. You guys been wanting it. A lot of vlogs is coming. I'm excited to announce that. It's just, it's just a happy day. It's a new era of Carvinster Reg. I know you guys love my G37, but I'm gonna make you guys love this Q50 as much as you guys love that G37. I promise you. Like, I got so much stuff, and like, just to mention, like, the Y pipe in general, like, I always wanted to get a Y pipe with my G37 because I don't know if you guys been following me for a long time. I wanted to try to make a budget friendly exhaust. It's another guy, shout out to him, Speed Coachers. He made the SCS exhaust or whatever on his Q50. So I kind of want to reinvent my own thing and kind of just give people like, okay, well, I could also do this, I could do that, but I could also do this. Just how I did with the whole G37 with the vibrant resonators and muffler delete. That kind of took off, you know what I'm saying? And a lot of people's been doing it. So I got another combo that I'm working with, you know what I'm saying? I'll give you guys a little hint. But yeah, I'm really excited about this Y pipe. Like I said, I wanted to get a Y pipe for the G37, but it just didn't turn out that way. But I feel like I'm yapping for so long for the intro of the video. I don't mean to yap. I'm just really excited. I'm just happy to finally build my car and finally take steps in the right direction, at least for this channel. Views been down. I've been down. You know what I'm saying? Like, everything has just been down, and now that it just feels good, like some light, to finally have some light and to be able to build my car, and get the views back up, hopefully, because I know you guys are gonna be interested in the stuff that I got going on. And yeah, it's just gonna be dope. But just quick itinerary of the video. I'm gonna show you guys a part. I'm just driving to a location where I can show the part. I'm also gonna go to the muffler shop today to go see how much it would cost to install it, because if we can install it maybe today or maybe tomorrow, you know what I'm saying, that'd be dope. This video will not be the install, unfortunately. I'm sorry, you guys, but this video won't be the install. It's just something to kind of get you guys hype, you know, vlog, and just, you know, you guys wanted more vlogs, you know what I'm saying? So the install will be his own thing, because the video would be way too long if I put the install and all that into one video. So this is just a vlog, just showing you guys that I have it. You know, you guys just gonna kick it with me, and then the next video should be the install, so definitely stay tuned. But yeah, you know, we just gonna show you guys the Y pipe, and I'm gonna show you, and then we're gonna head to the exhaust shop, City Mufflers, where I used to go get all my exhaust work done, and we're gonna see how much everything costs and how much everything adds up to. So until then, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera down, because I've been yapping way too long. It's almost 8 minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down, and then I'll see y'all when I get to the location. I can show the Y pipe. All right, y'all, pulled up to the spot. As y'all can see, my dirty Q50. It's looking real dirty right now, real dirty, but it's all good. I'm gonna go ahead and get it a car wash tomorrow, because it's looking a little bit too ashy today. But let me show you guys the Megan Racing Y pipe. Here it go. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all, this thing is huge, bro. Like, a lot of people say these things eventually fail or something like that, but maybe they might be talking about if you're running test pipes and you got like flame map and stuff. But since I don't have like burbles or nothing like that, I think I would be okay. I think I'm gonna use the OEM gaskets. I don't think I'm gonna use these gaskets. I don't know, or should I use these gaskets? They actually feel pretty good. They don't feel bad. I was seeing online that they said it was like paper or something, or plastic, but they don't seem that bad to me. Looks pretty cool. But yeah, this is the Y pipe, bro. Really excited about putting this on my car. Like I said, I wanted to put this on the G37 so bad. Either the Z1 or Megan or even ISR. I was actually looking at an ISR Y pipe, but I couldn't find it for, you know, the 3.7. So, you know, I had to go ahead and just get the Megan Racing Y pipe or whatever. But yeah, look how big that thing is. I want to do a comparison when they take the old one out and they put this one on, because this one is so much beefier and bigger. Actually, it's supposed to give you like more, you're supposed to feel a difference with this. It's supposed to give you better exhaust flow compared to the OEM one, because it's so like tiny and thin. But this one is just like just looks nice, bro. I ain't gonna lie, it looks really nice. So can't wait to install that on my car. Let me go ahead and put this up so we could just head to the exhaust shop. But one last look. I don't want to take it out the plastic, because, you know, I'm not installing it today, or maybe I am, I don't know. But I don't have plans to install it today. So let me just show you guys what it looked like. You know what I'm saying? Let me put this back in the car. Let's head out to the exhaust shop. Let's turn that Q50 on. It's hot as heck outside, bro. It's like 90-something degrees. 89, but I feel like it's 90-something degrees, bro. Out of here. But yeah, y'all, that's the Y pipe, bro. Like, I'm so super duper excited about this, bro. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. Just like I said, it just feels good to, like, you know, do some mods and upgrades, you know, to your car. I've been out the game for so long. The last time I actually did something to my car was the whole tuning thing, like the whole E85 stuff. So it's like to enhance it a little bit, to make it like better. Hold on, y'all, let me put this ticket in. But yeah, like I was saying, like just to enhance it, to make it better, to make it look better. You know, I'm really excited about that. The goal for me is to make this car look good. You know, not so much performance stuff, even though I do have some performance things that I have got and that I am getting in the future. But the main thing with me is just looks, you know, like I want this car to look as clean as what it sounds like, and to have like just a little bit of, a little bit more performance. That's why, I went with the Y pipe, and I got something else. And I'm also thinking about getting something else done to the car, to hopefully give me more power or whatever. But honestly, just want to improve with the looks. Like this car, like I said in a few videos back, it's like, it don't look bad. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't look bad. I had bought this car for, $3,000 or whatever. And, it wasn't a bad $3,000 buy. But at the end of the day, it is still like a Project Q50. It needs some work. You know what I'm saying? Like, as far as cosmetically, like, it's a dent in the back. I got to get new tires now. The wheels is like horrendous. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's so much stuff that I got planned to do within like the next month. Like content is gonna go by pretty fast. I'm not even gonna lie. Content is gonna go pretty fast. You guys are gonna see a lot. And like I said, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be cool. I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I honestly, like I said, I want to do some things that I wanted to add on to the G. Like I said, my G wasn't by far done. Well, actually, before whatever happened to the G, I actually bought some Swift springs that I was gonna put on a car to like lower it down a little bit, with the little 20s or whatever. And then whatever happened to it, I had to just go ahead and cancel that order. But it's all good though. Like I said, it's all good though. I'm gonna make you guys fall in love with the Q and the process of it. That's why I want to do vlogs. I want to just like take you guys on a journey with me. And it's a lot more interesting vlogs that I have planned on coming up. It's not just this one. It's a lot more that I have planned coming up that you guys are going to be on the road with me, doing some stuff for the Q. And a lot of interesting stuff that I have planned for the Q. I'm pretty sure I'm going to make a vlog about that tomorrow. I just want to get you guys excited for the summer, you know what I'm saying, for like, the whole content thing and, my channel and all that. But I just be yapping, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. One thing about Reg, he gonna yap. And I'm gonna yap because I'm just excited. I'm just ecstatic of, what's getting ready to come. Like, you guys don't know, like, it's about to be like some crazy things happening to the Q. I bought some cool parts, bro. Like, I bought some nice stuff, and honestly, I just can't wait for you guys to see it or whatever. But all right, y'all, getting ready to pull up to the shop to go see how much this thing would cost to get put on, man. Hopefully it's not too much, because I would love to get it installed tomorrow, or even today if they're not busy. So we'll see if we're gonna have another video or not. It don't look like they too busy today. Usually be cars outside, but let's find out. Pulling up. This is nostalgia right here. Oh, it look like they're not busy at all. This is nostalgia. All right, y'all. Good news, man. Good news. Great news. So we're gonna get the Y pipe installed tomorrow, which means the next video that you see will be the Y pipe on my Infiniti Q50, man. That will be the next video you guys see, will be the Y pipe on my Infiniti Q50. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this, man. Like, y'all just don't know, bro. Like, I'm super duper excited. He told me to come back at 9 a.m. and it would cost $120, which was expected. They charged me like $90 to put on the vibrant resonators, and it's a little different. So, but he did say the price can go up depending on how hard the bolt is to get off. But I don't think the bolts will be too hard to get off, just because I had got my cats done recently. Well, I got them done last year, but it shouldn't be too hard to get off. So he did say if that was the case, he would charge me $200. But if it's not the case, everything is easy. 120, which is not bad. So I'm really excited about that. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Like I said, I've been wanting to do this with the G. Now I'm finally doing it with the Q, and I'm real excited about that. So the next video, like I said, the next video you guys will see is the Y pipe install, man. Real excited about that, bro. Real excited about that. But I ain't even gonna lie, y'all, I'm a little tired. It's 12:11 p.m. I work graveyard. I got home at 4, woke up at 8 in the morning, and been up ever since. So I'm a little tired. I'm gonna go ahead and get some rest, because I got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow as far as like content. I want to make sure I'm up early enough so, you know, I could do what I gotta do. Also got a haircut, well, not a haircut, but you know, get my line and taper done today. That's why I got on this little beanie or whatever. But yeah, I got that to do later in the next 3 hours. So I'm gonna just go home, kind of chill for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Unwind, charge my camera equipment, get ready for tomorrow and all the other stuff. But I definitely would say you guys should definitely be excited, because I got so much content coming. Like, y'all don't even know, like, this is just one mod. I got another mod that I'm about to be doing within maybe next weekend. I'm not even gonna lie, maybe next weekend. So it's like, y'all definitely should stay tuned onto my channel. I got a lot of stuff coming. For the people who have been supporting, I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all your support. You guys don't even know, like, you guys really kept me going. You know, I wanted to quit at one point. I was kind of in between, like, do I want to do it or do I not? Do I want to do it or do I not? And, you know, I'm gonna keep on doing this, man. You know what I'm saying? The job is not done. The job is not done. We got a lot of stuff coming, got a lot more content. But definitely like this video, man. Like the video. I want to see you guys comments, engage. You know what I'm saying? Engage on the channel. I want to see you guys talking in the comments. You know, I respond back to every comment. I could say that. I respond back to every comment. I respond back to every DM. Nothing too big-headed about me. You know, I'm going to respond. I'm going to show my appreciation, because I really do appreciate you guys. And if we get the channel back rolling to where, you know, it once was, you know what I'm saying, and we going crazy, a little delay, but we'll do that 10,000 giveaway. You know what I'm saying? So not $10,000, but 10,000 subscriber giveaway. We'll go ahead and do it. So definitely like, engage, comment. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know in the comments how you guys think it's going to sound. You guys think I'm going to gain power? What do you guys think I'm going to do? You know what I'm saying? You know, when I put all these mods on, you know we going back to the dyno again, so we can see if we can hit that 320 mark. If we could get to that 320 mark. So yeah, just excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.